If you are looking to take your videos to the next level, look no further than adding animated effects to your projects. Using Filme, it's super easy and super fast to add really creative animations and catch all of your viewers' eyes. So today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add animations to your videos using Filme. And just so you guys know, all the animations on Filme are free to use. So here's how to do it. So start out by opening iMyFone Filme and import your video that you want to animate. If you don't already have Filme, check it out by going to the link in the description below. So first go and click the animation icon and then the effect tab. Once there, you can choose which animation you like best and then drag it and place it in the timeline on top of the video file you want to animate. Now, if you hit play, you're going to find the animation on top of the video footage just like this.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
So as you can see, it's super easy to add any sort of animation to your video using Filme. You can also move the animation around your video wherever you want and adjust its size by double-clicking it. You can also trim the animation clip so that it starts and ends at the perfect time.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
You can add as many animations as you want throughout the video by adding them as separate clips. And that's it, just that easy. All right guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button for more video tutorials in the future. That's it for now guys, bye now.